the one thing I love about my job is that I get to meet amazing and interesting people. And, I've grown up watching movies. So when I see, or, when I know that someone is an actor or actress, like suddenly that fan in me becomes alive. So right now I'm a fan because I am sitting here with this very beautiful, young and talented upcoming actress, Meghna Mukherjee.
Thank you, but I think she's dressed cooler than I am, by the way.
Of course I'm a millennial, so I'm cooler. No, of course I'm a millennial, thank you. So I am cooler, but no, Gen Z is also like cool. You guys are cool.
I'll take it.
Okay, so please tell me a little bit about, yourself, like introduce yourself to my Hindi audiences.
Hindi audiences. Hi guys, I'm Meghna Mukherjee. I was born in Kolkata, but I've grown up in Mumbai all my life. But nowadays I live in Hyderabad more than Mumbai. So I think I've taken about 40 flights this year to Hyderabad. And I think I'm starting to love Hyderabad. The food, the people, the language. So it's been a great year.
कोई रिश्ता ले आने के लिए हैदराबाद वाला.
मैं भी सोच रही हूँ actually. Executor.
Oh, Mena, executor. Now that is something, yeah. Now coming to social media, because we're of course talking about it. For someone like a Gen Z actress, who's just starting out, do you think things have become like easier, thanks to social media? Like, do you use it just to engage with people, or is it also like a little show reel, that you're putting out there?
Weirdly, I think recently I've been meeting a lot of people and they've told me, so can you share your Instagram link? And I'm like, really? Don't you want to see me act, or don't you want to see me dance? Isn't that it? So I think that's a little bit shocking, because I think numbers shouldn't be the end all. I think numbers is such, it's algorithm, right?
Yeah.
So I don't think numbers should decide if you're getting a project or not.
So what you're trying to say is that now social media following is something that will affect. Oh wow.
I hope not. I
thought it was just with my job. Your job also?
I think so many jobs now. I think in the entertainment industry,
Yeah.
it's becoming a thing, and I don't know if it's a good thing.
Yeah, it's about like basically telling us like how relatable are you? Like how many people can you pull in? Because I get it. I guess, the movie makers are also like, okay, if I do have a, famous actress here, people will come and like watch her just to like watch her. Or the movie's promotions will happen like effortlessly, if she has like a huge social media following. Like, why do you think, the movie makers are focused so much on your social media following? Why do you think that trend is there?
I also think sometimes it's not it, because I've seen oh my god, I don't know if I should be saying these things.
We will edit it if you don't want to.
Great. But I have seen people with 2 million, 5 million followers, and how many people would really watch them, really put in the effort to buy a ticket and watch. So I think I don't know if social media translates and is the end all. I mean, let's take Kareena Kapoor Khan as an example.
Yeah.
I think she's one of the biggest actresses, even today, since the last 20 years.
Yeah, she's ruling it.
She's ruling it, and she's ruling the silver screen. But she's not the most followed person on Instagram.
Yeah.
So I think that's the biggest example that Instagram followers should not matter.
Yeah, coming from a Gen Z, take notes, guys. But it's also important. So the dance reels, like I do see a lot of like amazing fun dance reels on Instagram. Is it you post that just because you have so much fun with it, you want to put it out?
I love dance.
Or at the end of the day, you're like, anyways, they're asking for my Instagram, तो भाई डाल ही देती हूँ. देख लो भाई, मेरे को आता है डांस करना, देख लो अब आप.
No, also like I said, I think if you have a platform to show your talent, why not? But also I think I've been dancing since I was 7 years old. And I started training in jazz, and then I did a little bit of Kathak. So
Western and Eastern, classical, yeah.
So if you can put it out there, why not? And I really enjoy it. I mean, most of it you'll see me doing something stupid, you know. And I feel like the stupid things work because
That's cute. Because that's cute and also relatable.
also relatable.
Talks about the people who like them, but yeah, let's not get into that.
I like you guys. Please like it even more.
Please like it. I am as dumb as this reel. Please like it. Yes.
If I want it to be dumb, I'll be dumb.
Dumb. You can go dumber. Yeah.